Welcome to the training video for advanced scenarios, and we're going to be exploring how you can translate business questions into meaningful data insights by using in-app Copilot within Microsoft Excel. Let's go and take a look. So I've opened up the Bloom Global Flour Exports Report Ready spreadsheet. This data has already been cleaned up, and this is the data that we're going to be focusing on for this video. Now, one of the most difficult parts of data analysis isn't the formulas or charts, it's how you can turn vague business questions into meaningful insights. Now, whilst it might be perfectly acceptable to straight away go ahead and ask Copilot to create a dashboard without any context, it can really help if you add some context in terms of how a manager may ask some questions prior to creating a dashboard of insights. Let's open up the Copilot panel and ask Copilot some questions. So click on the Copilot icon, which is in the top right-hand corner of the Home tab ribbon. Now, a generic business question that may be asked is something like, which regions are profitable and where are we losing money? Now, whilst it would be acceptable to paste that into Copilot and it could do a perfectly good job, you may wish to hone the prompt. So if we think a bit more like a business analyst, let's explore the following prompt. Instead of which regions are profitable and where are we losing money, I've entered the following prompt: analyze net profit and profit category by region, summarize which regions are driving high and medium profit, and which regions have the highest concentration of loss orders. So this will immediately tell leadership where to focus attention, not just where sales are high, but where profitability is broken. Pause the video if you need to copy that prompt, otherwise refer to the support materials. When you're ready, select the green send button. Copilot has completed the task. Let's analyze the result. Providing a breakdown of net profit and profit category by region. Here is a region by region summary. Let's expand the pane. Now we can read the table more clearly. If this was useful data that you wanted to add into your workbook, you can select the Add to New Sheet button. And now we have a brand new sheet. Let's keep scrolling down. And Copilot is providing some useful information about how we can interpret this data. And then point 2 is talking about which regions are driving high and medium profit. Here is the first way, A, for driving profit by contribution. And this shows which regions contribute the most profit in euros from the good categories. And it's providing a plain English takeaway. So UK and Spain are the biggest engines of high and medium profit in terms of euros. And then B, driving by mixed, highest share of orders that are high and medium. Again, there's a plain English takeaway. The UK has the strongest high and medium hit rate. And point 3 is talking about which regions have the highest concentration of lost orders. Point 4 is the so what, a quick interpretation for reporting regions. And an optional section at the bottom, useful for your next dashboard step. I'm going to minimize the panel once more, and I'll head back to the sales data clean sheet, and we'll try another question for Copilot. So another business related question could be something like, which flour types are profitable and which are driving losses? Again, it would be perfectly acceptable to add that kind of a question to message Copilot, but you may yield better results by honing the Copilot prompt. So click into the message Copilot box and enter the following prompt. Compare net profit and gross margin by flour type. Identify which flour types generate consistent profit and which have frequent losses despite high sales volume. Pause the video if you need to copy that prompt, otherwise refer to the support materials. And when you're ready, select the green send button. Copilot has completed the task, and if we scroll down, we can review the results. Let's expand the panel once more. Here we can see Copilot has produced a net profit and gross margin by flour type summary. So it's summarized the different types of flours, the number of orders, the net sales for those types of flours, and the net profit. If this table represents something useful to add into your workbook, select the Add to New Sheet button. Let's scroll down to further review those results. And point 2 is talking about which flour types generate consistent profit. It's focused on lilies and tulips with a solid but mixed range of results. And then point 3 is talking about which flour types have frequent losses despite high sales volume. and it's highlighted roses and orchids. Moving down to the bottom, there's an executive takeaway and also how this translates into actions. I'm going to minimize the panel and head back to the original sales data clean sheet. And next we'll explore another option utilizing Copilot agent mode. Select the green Start a New Chat button, then open up the Tools menu and select Agent Mode. And then enter the following prompt. Based on the most common and useful kinds of business questions asked about this data, can you explore those by providing key insights related to those types of questions? Pause the video if you need to copy that prompt, otherwise refer to the support materials, and when you're ready, select the green Send button. Copilot has completed the task and it's created a Business Insights dashboard on the new sheet, Business Insights. Let's just scroll down and take a closer look. It's provided executive summary, KPIs, regional performance insights, product performance, quarterly trends, loss analysis and critical findings with a root cause analysis, customer satisfaction information, and strategic recommendations based on the insights. If we just come into the dashboard, we can see here for regional performance, the question, which regions are most profitable? So these are displaying some of those types of common business questions that may be asked about the data.
What was your favorite part of this tutorial? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.